Hello everyone, let us consider this simple algebraic equation. 3 minus 5 into 3 minus 5. Now, it would be wrong to say 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Then here between this 5 and this parenthesis is multiplication. Then 3 minus 5 again is minus 2. So minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4. That is very wrong. So let's apply PEMDAS. And what does PEMDAS mean? Parenthesis is what P stands for, E stands for exponential, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So note, this multiplication and division have the same priority, and you have to consider their evaluation from the left to the right. So in this question now, we have parenthesis is the first thing. So we have to consider that parenthesis. So let's consider the parenthesis, the one in bracket. Parenthesis simply means bracket. So 3 minus 5 is what? Is minus 2. Fine. So now write 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. Where do we see this multiplication sign? Between this 5 and this simple bracket, there is a multiplication here. So now, with this multiplication, we can now consider what? After parentheses, exponential is not available. Then we are consider what? Multiplication. Multiplication comes before division, but at the same time, we give both of them the same priority. Since we don't have division here, we take multiplication. So now, we now say 5 multiplied by minus 2. That is minus what? Minus 10. Okay? Then so we have 3 minus 10. This minus is this one. Then 5 times this is minus 10. So you know what? That is what? 3 minus times minus is what? Is plus 10. So what is 3 plus 10? That is what? 13. So the answer to this is plus 13, not 4. Now try this and write the answer in the comment section. Find the evaluation of this. 1 minus 7 into bracket 1 minus 7. So what is the answer to this? Write your answer in the comment section. Bye.